Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In event planning, sending one giant email with every room number and time slot to every attendee is a recipe for confusion. Your guests don't want to search through a manual. They want to know exactly where they need to be. With smart form notifications, you can deliver specific event details based on the exact session your guest chose. Let's look at how to provide a 5-star attendee experience. The process begins in the sidebar. We'll create a dedicated workflow for each session. Under the Conditions tab, we'll define the trigger. Process this workflow only if workshop equals workshop A. This ensures the attendee only receives the information relevant to their specific choice. Next, in the Email Template tab, use the attendee's email merge tag as the recipient. By tailoring the body of the message to include the specific room number and timing for their workshop, you eliminate confusion. No more searching through long lists, just the facts they need, delivered right to their inbox. The result is a seamless, professional experience. Your attendees arrive at the right place at the right time, and your support desk stays quiet. You can track every personalized confirmation in the execution logs, giving you total confidence in your event's logistics. Automate the directions and focus on hosting a great show. Take the stress out of event planning. Install SmartForm notifications from the Google Workspace Marketplace today, and visit gwaddons.com to see how we help you host smarter events.